Sir, right now you are in Parvarim, here banyan tree has been uprooted. So what do you like to say, sir?
First of all, I want to say I've come on my own accord. Nobody has called me because I'm passionate about plants. I just came to volunteer my services. Even if they tell me to leave this place and go, I will graciously go. But what I would like to thank everybody is from day one, I said cut this banyan tree in 2 portions. And I'm feeling really blessed that finally somebody thanked me. Dr. Pramod Sawant, I would also like to place you on record because I requested you for somebody to this information. Because if we cut this tree into 2 portions, the survival rate will be much better because we don't have that sort of infrastructure to carry such a big tree. Secondly, there are 2 trees. Even if something goes wrong with 1 tree, we have a second tree. Now I'm given to understand this tree is going back again in their area. They have put 2.5 meters of soil. But still, I feel 2.5 meters of soil is not sufficient. So what I've told Parag Modi, the 2.5 meters of oil and gal mati and do terracing. So however much the rain comes, the tree will still be higher. Now one more thing, I require jute bags to keep the tree cool. If we can organize jute bags and just water and keep the tree cool, we are still doing good and there are very good chances of the tree getting less shock.
You mentioned that the 2 parts, but if you look closely with the 2 parts, one part only has a ball of earth. What about the other part?
Sir, they have fibrous roots, so it is still good, sir. Instead of taking one big thing, because we don't have the infrastructure in Goa for such big crane beds. The crane beds we don't have. So my plan was from day one is to cut it up or break it up into 2-3 portions and plant in 2-3 locations. That was my plan.
Will the second part survive with this uprooting?
Sir, the second portion you can't say because there could be stones. But the main thing is to open it up and it's easier to transport. So that is what is happening and I feel really blessed that we are on the right track.
Are you looking at this? Are you happy with the kind of work?
I'm happy to see the the root system. I'm happy to see that the part of trees open-ended too. But I would have loved if more tree bark was kept. And sadly, I was not in Goa yesterday. I just landed from Bombay and directly I drove here to see if I could give little of my experience and the joy of if I could manage to save this tree.
There was one more bark which was there, but unfortunately when the tree came down, that bark
So one
down.
bark does not make a difference. One bark absolutely doesn't make. It is we have to look on the survival rate of this tree now. One bark, it will spring back in place.
What is the survival percentage you think?
Sir, very difficult to say survival because this is not the time of the year in the first place. We are in February, March, it is hot. Now it is like a surgery. How well we look after the tree post-monsoon. It's just not taking and planting it today. Somebody has to monitor and make sure, as I said, we have to make a matto, we have to put some chuttas, mollas, keep the tree cool and misting the tree to 4 to 5 times a day is essential. It's like after a surgery, how you look after the patient. So same way we have to treat it that way.
So Parag Modi has kept all this in check?
I don't know, but Parag Modi was here. I met Parag Modi and Parag Modi told me that because the first thing I came here, I said I require a lot of fungicides to put around the root zone. We have to treat. He said there are a lot of chemicals on site, so which is a good sign.
Would you voluntarily help with?
I'm here, come voluntarily. Nobody called me, but even if that's what I'm saying. If somebody tells me, Daniel, go from here, graciously I will go. But my soul will be satisfied that I came because I've seen this tree for the past 50 years.
Daniel, what's your full name and what do you do?
I'm Daniel D'Souza and I'm a landscape designer. And all my reels are on Instagram, Daniel with green ideas from the start, telling them how to do it. But at least towards the end, I get little satisfaction. They took my idea to break up the tree into 2 parts.
Great, thank you.
Sir, in Panjim Smart City, banyan tree shifting, they have taken board. So if they take here also board, you will
See, Panjim banyan tree, I was called at a much later stage after that banyan tree was transplanted to ice. And I could not transplant it the 3rd time because there was already a lot of in-house fighting. So I tried to do what I could do best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel.
I require jute to cover. I don't know how we can get jute to cover the tree and water the tree.
Now?
Yes, to keep the tree cool, sir. I require jute. I try to keep the tree cool. I require jute bags in quantity and I require water to just wash the tree and keep the tree cool. You should not stress out the tree. Apparently, all people run around over it every day, whole matches.
now,
पुरो रे पुरो.
So now-
चांगला रे सांगून चांगला पुरो रे.
so while shifting these, what are the things they required for the work?